Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the preferred story language on Wattpad. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on language. And here you can set the main language of your stories. Right now I'm going to leave it as it is. And if you go back, all the stories will be shown in this language. And this is how you set the language on Wattpad. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.